Hey guys, today in this video, I'll be walking you through how you can unlink my PayPal to GCash. Alright, so let's get started. First of all, log in to your PayPal account, visit the PayPal website, and log into your PayPal account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the Settings or Account Settings section. This is typically represented by a gear icon or your profile picture. Now, manage connected apps or services. Simply look for an option like Connected Apps, Authorized Payments, or a similar term. This is where you can manage services linked to your PayPal account. After that, find the service or app that you want to unlink from PayPal and review the list of connected services. Now, unlink or remove access. There should be an option to unlink or remove access. Click on this option and follow the prompts to confirm the unlinking process. After that, verify and confirm. Some services may ask for additional verification or confirmation before unlinking. Follow any on-screen instructions to complete the process. After completing the unlinking process, check for a confirmation message. This ensures that the service is no longer linked to your PayPal account. That's basically how you can unlink my PayPal to GCash. So that's all for today's video. Hope you liked the video. I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.